So to set the magnets, you need to use a 2-part epoxy resin. Just squirt out a fairly equal amount of the 2 parts of the epoxy, and then mix it well. The epoxy we're using is just a 5-minute set JB Weld. Now, in order to set the hydrogen bonding magnets, they go at each end of the amide group. So one magnet goes at the NH end here, the other magnet goes at the CO double bond end, and you have to make sure you have opposite poles at each end, north on one end, south on the other. So we're going to take this unit here, which has been drilled, the dihedral magnets have been fitted, but the hydrogen bonding magnets are still to be fitted. And all you need to do is add a bit of glue to each end of the model and then place the magnets. It's pretty straightforward. So put a bit of glue on this end and then a bit of glue on the other end. And it helps if you rough the magnets up with emery paper beforehand so that they can have a keyed surface for the glue to set in. So you need to make sure we're getting the right polarity on the magnet. So if you have a demo one next door, you can just check, make sure the magnets are lining up correctly. And this guy we're going to set the same way around in the new piece. The magnets will wander whilst they're setting, particularly just with the either any other magnets in the vicinity or just the Earth's magnetic field. To stop that from happening, we're just going to use a piece of tape, and we're actually just going to place that over the top of the magnet so that it can't move. That way we know it's going to remain in the same polarity that we put it down at. The tape's easy to remove afterwards, but it just stops the magnet from twisting whilst it's setting. Just flip it over, the glue's on the other end, make sure that the polarity is correct. Set the second magnet, and this should be, oh, just flipped over.